I was just a kid who loved Lego. Well, it would be more accurate to say I adored it. I lived my life creating my own world with those blocks and cherishing them. To me, the stationary world felt too restrictive. That's why I started with robots. They were like my best friends. They always accompanied me and opened me up to a broader range of experiences. What I loved was sharing my creations and ideas with the world, engaging with countless thoughts and producing art. I wanted to be a creator. Then I watched the movie Iron Man. After that, I was fascinated by the technology that could be attached to our bodies to enhance human capabilities. That's how I became more specific about my dream, to become a wearable engineer. I was doing some online research, and that's when I came across a wearable platform company named Nexus. Nexus manufactures smart safety helmets that offer more than the typical protective value. These helmets can detect a worker's vital signs in real time to prevent potential dangers. They monitor heart rate, current location, and toxic gas levels, and send this information to a control center. It's technology that understands and becomes a part of humans to create a better future. I found the concept of this wearable technology meaningful. I wanted to learn more about the company and understand the visionaries behind this technology. So, I arranged an interview with Mr. Jung-han. I was initially curious about how the Coronavirus helmet came into being. The journey of developing and creating something fascinated me. He mentioned that in 2015, he proposed an AR-based wearable firefighting helmet to the Nexus members. However, the battery was a significant challenge for AR, leading them to discard the idea of incorporating projectors like AR glass onto glasses. Recognizing the need for firefighter expertise, they brought firefighter Wan Zhongman on board for advice. They learned that in fire scenes, communication between devices, which means IoT, is impossible due to the melting of all base stations. Consequently, Nexus shifted from the smaller market of firefighting helmets to focus on the larger market of construction, civil engineering, and chemical plant safety helmets, leading to the development of the IoT helmet in collaboration with LG Plus and KT. From the discussion, I learned that when it comes to wearable development, weight, battery life, and regulations present significant challenges. Moreover, even when developing a single product, it's essential to view wearable technology from the perspective of its users. This necessitates collaboration with a diverse group of people and often results in many failures along the way. A pressing question I had was whether people would readily accept these developed products and what barriers might exist for their widespread adoption. From his response, I understood that wearable technologies are already commercialized and popularized in the digital healthcare sector. One of the primary concerns raised as a barrier is the issue of personal data protection. When I asked about the attitude a wearable tech developer should possess, he emphasized the importance of problem-solving skills, integrating existing knowledge with new solutions, and the continuous pursuit of deep knowledge. He suggested his book 기술 창업 36개 for further insight. From this, I learned that creativity rooted in knowledge, continuous research, and resilience amidst failures are vital for wearable tech developers. Pondering what capabilities and experiences are needed for a future-leading wearable engineer, his answer emphasized the importance of observing humans. Studying vital signs in medical school, joining brain and bioengineering departments like those at KAIST, and extensive human observation through research papers and professor interactions are beneficial. Interestingly, he also emphasized the importance of studying philosophy, politics, and religion, seeing them as crucial elements for a holistic and future-oriented wearable developer engineer. Lastly, when I asked about the societal impact of wearable technology, his response was insightful. He said, "Technology is just technology. Whether it has a positive or negative impact depends on the human users. This is why studying philosophy is crucial. Wearables, which use various sensors to observe humans, are now revealing many previously unexplained phenomena. Devices like the Apple Watch have positively impacted sports performances using heart rate sensors, and in the medical field, they've predicted conditions like arrhythmias. The downside is the potential misuse of large-scale biometric data collection, especially through hacking."
This interview gave me a broader perspective on my dream. To be a meaningful wearable developer and creator, continuous learning, challenging, communication, reflection, and observation are essential. And I no longer want to confine my dream to just being a wearable developer. I aspire to be someone who paints a better future. Thank you.